Hello guys, I'm Sagar back with another video. So in the previous video I have told you about my 4 years of transformation journey. How I built up from a skinny guy who was called a matchstick in school. Yes, I was called matchstick in school, so I decided to transform myself, and then I realized how much health is important for our life. I tell you about workout according to muscle fibers. Yes, we all exercise, we all go to gyms, but we don't know how to exercise according to science. Yes, I have seen people doing countless numbers of bench press, countless numbers of cardios, thinking that they will lose fat, thinking that they will build muscles, but that's not the case. We have to hit the particular muscle to achieve our fitness goals. Yes, so there are two types of muscle fibers. Type 1, which is called slow twitch. Type 2, which is also known as fast twitch. Slow twitch is known as slow twitch because the muscles contract slowly, and fast twitch is named fast twitch because the muscles contract fast. Yes, so it plays a huge role in our day-to-day lives. So if we want to build our muscle endurance and lose fat or be fit, we have to hit our muscle fiber 1. Yes, we have to hit muscle fiber 1. So to hit muscle fiber 1, which is also known as slow twitch fibers, we have to do low intensity, high repetition workouts, such as the ones who are marathoners. Yes, marathoners recruit muscle fiber 1. Muscle fiber 1 has following specialties, such as they do not fatigue fast compared to muscle fiber 2. Okay, you can run, you can work out for a longer period of time because of low amount of lactic acid build up. So these are the primary factors that enable muscle fiber 1 to work for a longer time. Yes. So if you want to build muscle endurance and you want to do exercise, what we have to do is that we have to incorporate cardio as well as resistance training. And resistance training should be such that you hit more than 12 repetitions. Yes, more than 12 repetitions with 3 sets. Yes, that will ensure that you hit muscle fiber 1, and that will ensure that you will reach your muscle endurance goal. Yes, for marathoners who wants to do marathons, what they should do is they should do cardio as well as do high intensity. Yes, they should do more amount of running. Yes, sprinters do 100 meter, 200 meter, but you have to do more than 200 meter, that is 300, 400, 500, and then gradually increase. Yes, that will recruit your muscle fiber 1. Yes, so these fibers recruit muscle endurance and fat loss. Even if you want to lose fat, nutrition is very much important. Yes, I know nutrition is very much important, but with that, workout according to muscle fiber is also necessary. So you should consider doing high repetitions and low intensity. Yes, so how much weight you should lift for the muscle fiber 1? To recruit muscle fiber 1, you should lift 55 to 65% of your 1 RM. What is 1 RM? 1 RM is the maximum amount of load you can lift for only 1 repetition. Yes, that determines your maximum 1 RM. That is your optimal strength. So you have to lift 55 to 65% of 1 RM. So that weight you should lift for 12 repetitions, for more than 12 repetitions with 3 sets. Yes, so that's it for muscle fiber 1. So let's talk about muscle fiber 2. There are 2 types of muscle fiber 2, 2A and 2B. Yes, 2A fatigue less compared to 2B. Yes, 2A uses both glucose and oxygen as the source of energy. Yes, and 2B only uses glucose as the main source of energy. So to increase power, to increase strength, and to increase your muscle hypertrophy, which is also known as muscle building, as we all know, and this is the most famous thing that is done in the gym to build muscle. Yes, that's what we generally do. So to achieve the power or your strength or your muscle hypertrophy goals, we should recruit muscle fiber 2. To achieve that, let's talk about power. To achieve power, we should do repetitions less than 6. We should do repetitions from 1 to 3 repetitions, and the set should be 3 to 5. Yes. To achieve strength, you should do repetition less than 6, and the sets will be 3 to 5. And to achieve muscle hypertrophy, we should do 6 to 12 repetitions with three sets, and yes, That's the thing. What repetition, what sets we have talked about, and now we are talking about the weights we should lift. Yes, the weight should be according to the 1 RM. Yes. So I have talked about 1 RM in muscle fiber 1. So here also we are talking about 1 RM. 1 RM is the criteria by which we can determine how much weight we should lift. So for power we should lift 95% of 1 RM. Yes. For strength we should lift more than 85% of 1 RM, and for muscle hypertrophy we should lift 60 more. For muscle hypertrophy we should lift 65 to 85% of 1 RM. Yes. And now we should determine how much rest we should take in between sets. Yes, that's also very much a criteria in workout, because more rest means your heart rate will come down. Less rest means your heart rate is still in the increased rate. So increased heart rate means you will burn more calories, and that is what is necessary for fat loss. So for muscle fiber 1, or to increase the muscle endurance or to achieve your fat loss goals, you should have 30 seconds to 1 minute of rest between your sets and between your exercises. For power, you should have not more than 3 minutes of rest. For strength also not more than 3 minutes, and for muscle building goals you should have 1 to 2 minutes of rest between your sets. So we have talked about which muscle to recruit, and how we can recruit the particular muscle, and why we should recruit the particular muscle. We have discussed about the weight, we have discussed about the time, and now it all depends on you. Just follow these tips and reap the benefits. So that's all for today. For more fitness videos, please subscribe to our channel. Please share, so that your loved ones, so that your family, so that anyone can benefit from our videos and achieve their fitness goals. Please rate thumbs up and thumbs down, because if you rate, we know that our content is good or we have to improve. So that's it for today. And we have a motto: we live by lifting others.